From fresh sugarcane to golden jaggery, here is how authentic jaggery is made from scratch. Upon arrival at the facility, the raw sugarcane is weighed before workers unbind the heavy bundles for processing. Loaded with freshly harvested sugarcane, the tractor makes its way along the dusty countryside road toward the traditional. High-pressure water jets wash away dirt and debris. This ensures only clean sugarcane moves to the extraction phase. The cleaned stalks are fed directly. They go into heavy-duty crusher rollers to begin juice extraction. Under immense mechanical pressure, rich, sweet sugarcane juice flows continuously into collection trays below. The crushed bagasse passes through a second set of rollers to extract every remaining drop of natural juice. The raw juice travels through channels into main storage pits for central collection. Before heating, the juice is strained through fine mesh filters to remove residual plant fibers and impurities. The filtered liquid is transferred into massive iron boiling pans, where natural organic clarifiers are introduced. Intense flames heat the juice to a rolling boil. This brings natural impurities floating to the surface. Skilled artisans continuously skim off the rising foam. This process maintains a pure, rich flavor profile. As water evaporates, the thin juice slowly transforms into a vibrant golden syrup. Continuous stirring prevents burning and ensures the jaggery reaches its optimal thick consistency. Extended boiling turns the mixture into a dense, bubbling, caramel-toned mass. The piping hot jaggery paste is poured onto flat wooden cooling trays and spread evenly to cool down. Once semi-solid, workers shape the warm mixture into traditional jaggery blocks and molds by hand. The hardened golden blocks are demolded and inspected for texture, density, and natural color quality. Pure, golden jaggery is packaged for delivery. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more authentic documentaries.